This is our slim garland hanger. The best feature about this hanger is that it helps you to hang your garland around your door with no damage to your door or frame. These pads were designed to grip your door frame and keep it secure by using outward pressure. The pads are made with a material that will leave no marks or scuffs on your door. The first step to installing your door hanger is adjusting the length of the hanger to the width of your door. You do this by first undoing this screw and sliding the non-threaded side out till it is the approximate size of your door while still being just smaller than your door. Reinsert the screw and tighten it with the bolt. Place the garland hanger into your door frame and extend the threaded side till it fits snugly. Use the bolt to secure it. The more you tighten the bolt, the more outward pressure will be pushed against your door frame to hold it securely. From here, adjust your hook so that it is centered and tighten it down. Then give the whole frame a little tug just to make sure that it is super tight. If it moves at all, continue to tighten the screw until it is solid. And then you're ready to hang your garland.